On the 4-hour chart, using that RSI kind of thinking, you can kind of see this number is 73.88. This number here, 72. That's lower. This number here, 70.8. That's lower. Something's not right here, folks. A little concerning. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that this is a sell. I mean, maybe what we're going to do, kind of like what you saw here, it's not really like this is a sell here. But I think, if anything, if I'm not mistaken, I think Paul said that he did step in and buy that 61.8. You know, I don't know whether I'd even say that this even gave a trade signal here at all. I would say probably there's your first M that stops the bull. So that would be teal. Now, this is 4 hours, right? We're talking higher time frame here now. The second M, which is really messy, I think there's your trade signal. So that is off of there. That's that breakdown there. We rolled over. I don't know whether we actually even took out this high. We might have. Where are we here? 50.97. 50.50. Wow, that was close. 51. Okay, yeah, so it did. So because that was taken out, and I'm not quite sure, right? Did this W, does that stop the bear right there being teal? Maybe. But then with the breakdown here, 51, there's a new, this would be teal going this direction. I know it's getting really confusing. So we had a little stop the bear there, but now stop the bull there. So there's your second M here. What color should this one be? See if you guys remember it. Remember, this little bull, that's the teal. That's the first W. So that stops this bear slide. Then we went and M'd out. So this is now a new teal. This M here. So this is a second M. This is yellow. That's here. This is your trade. But because it's below the 50 line, I wouldn't give it a lot of credence. There is the trade right there. Then this M, which is very hard to see, but that one right there, what color is that? Purple, good. And of course, who's shorting here? The public. They get screwed. It's pretty typical. What's so cool is talking to people who actually start looking at the market this way, and they're like, I can't believe how well this works. And then, so this new W, which comes at the end of a long bear slide, what color should this W be? Blue or teal or whatever the hell the damn color is. Call it that. Then this W, this second W, what color is that? So you guys are getting good at this. Good. What do we call the second W? Is it important? It's the trade. It's you could say buy, but it's the trade W. Was that a good signal to take there? That was right. I guess the signal, because the W right there is break of that high there. So what is that? 42.83, 46. So that's this candle right there. Was that a good level to go and buy this thing? You tell me. Right there. Was that a good place to buy? Right there. It's still good. It's just if it goes through the 50 line, oh boy. And interestingly enough, 46, right? Look how it went through that 50 line the next candle. And what happened? I mean, look at this. All right, so that's the second W. I mean, I hope you guys, does this make sense what I'm saying? Do you see how do you understand how I'm walking you through this? All right, so who is it that's coming in and buying up here? And is that such a good idea? Probably not. Now, if this thing can go and W out here, I'd be darn impressed to see that. But if it can, I suppose we can justify coming in here, but it does not make me feel comfortable at all. And what I would expect is that RSI tops out and we start to M out. And of course, now that you've gone through this whole lecture, you know exactly what color this first M should be. Is that a trade? No. All that is the bulls have been told to cool their jets. If another M comes in and it comes in through the 50 line, then oh boy, look out. That's probably going to be a trade to remember. So that's sort of where we are right now, in my opinion, on something like Bitcoin.